That moment you realize the human has been scrolling for 3 hours and still hasn't mentioned the word walk. The judgmental side eye is getting very real now.
This is what's called wobbly kitty syndrome, and it's a condition that affects cats from birth. Basically, their cerebellum, the part of the brain that controls movement, doesn't develop fully, so they grow up to be a very wobbly cat. It's completely harmless, and affected cats grow up to live very happy lives.
From cup noodles to zoom eyes and big fluffy eyes, this tiny kitten has more personality than most humans. 1 minute a snack, the next a chaotic cloud. Maximum cuteness achieved. In the first scene we witness a classic feline standoff where the gray cat chooses the bold strategy of horizontal intimidation while the black cat remains unimpressed by such antics. By the second frame the gray protagonist has realized that lying down is not a winning defense and attempts a clumsy mid-air maneuver that mostly involves looking confused. Moving to the third shot there is a sudden and dramatic shift in the power dynamic as they both decide to stare intensely at a scratching post as if it holds the secrets of the universe. In the fourth image the gray cat executes a tactical retreat with its tail held high in a display of questionable confidence. Naming your cat business is a genius move for your social life because now you can finally tell everyone you are staying home to handle business. This tiny void is currently processing a serious tactical error. 1 minute you are the apex predator of the living room, the next you have been thoroughly bamboozled by a shiny spinning silver toy. Two fuzzy little vacuums are hard at work cleaning the concrete today. Forget the expensive bowls when the floor provides a rustic dining experience. This cat food packaging is doing the absolute most to look like a high-end luxury brand until you realize it's just kibble for a creature that licks its own butt. Milo left early but his legacy lives on through this adorable ginger squad. These fluffy tiny clones are here to keep everyone busy and broke. Who knew one cat could leave behind so many chaotic little orange copy-pastes?
Dunia bisa ramai, penuh suara, penuh hal yang kadang bikin kita lelah. Tapi sejak ada kamu, semuanya terasa beda. Bukan karena hidup jadi mudah, tapi karena aku tidak lagi jalan sendiri. Ada kamu yang tetap di samping, tanpa banyak kata, tapi selalu ada. Dan di tengah semua yang tidak pasti, aku selalu tahu satu hal. Selama ada kamu, hati ini tetap tenang.
Look at this fierce feline wrestling match happening inside a cardboard arena. Mom is clearly the referee while these tiny chaotic clouds tumble around. 1 minute they are cuddly siblings, the next it is total kitty mayhem.
Ayo main, jangan takut lagi. Makan tuh, ada makan, main, jangan takut ya, jangan gelap lagi. Aku baik kok.
Welcome to the main event featuring the legendary duo Ace and Ozzy. In the red corner, we have the master of the tactical tumble, and in the white corner, the undisputed champion of the sneak attack. The match begins with a dramatic wrestling hold that quickly devolves into a confused staring contest. One brother decides the floor is actually a very comfortable bed, while the other contemplates his life choices from a safe distance.
Rockin' Robin. Low rockin' Robin, 'cause we really gonna.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Có 2 con mèo, người ta đem tới đâu người ta bỏ ở đó. Bây giờ có ai nhận nuôi không thì mọi người tới nhận nha. Nhà mình thì không có nuôi được á. 2 bé mèo con còn rất là yếu luôn. Một bé thì đang khóc rất là đáng thương, một bé thì mình thấy vẫn còn khỏe. Mình đang ở địa chỉ là 233 Dương Thị 10 nha, mọi người tới. 2 bé vẫn còn đang ở đây nha, mình sẽ cập nhật tình hình thường xuyên.
Target locked on the fuzzy flying object. Initial scanning shows high probability of a successful boop. Commencing wiggle sequence in 3, 2, 1. Error. Gravity has betrayed me again.
Blink, slow blink, paws on the floor, tap.
If you ever wondered what it is like to scratch a giant forest puppy, here is your answer. He looks like a fierce predator but honestly just wants some premium neck scritches today. Your fingers are merely delicious appetizers for this tiny gray fluff monster. In a world full of terrifying apex predators, this kitten has decided that its primary mission is to chew your hand into submission. It is approximately 3% cat and 97% chaotic energy with very sharp teeth. This tiny orange hunter is currently recalculating its entire life strategy. Witness the precise moment where fierce predatory instincts meet a complete lack of coordination. He is not failing to catch the toy, he is just performing an interpretive dance.
Slow